If your earbuds aren't powering on, don't worry. In this video, we'll walk you through a few simple steps to get them working again. First, make sure your earbud's battery is not depleted. In order to properly charge your earbuds, they need to be firmly seated in the case. If the stability bands on your earbuds are not aligned correctly, it could prevent the earbuds from making a solid connection with the charging pins in the case. Make sure to align the dots on the earbuds and the stability bands so that the earbud fits in the case correctly. On newer earbuds, there will be a little notch to more easily ensure your stability band is aligned correctly. The earbud should snap into place and the earbud status light will illuminate. Wait for the LED to turn off and repeat this process with the other earbud to ensure it's inserted properly. If the LED doesn't light up, your charging case's battery may be depleted. If you're having issues charging your case, make sure that the USB charger you're using meets the power requirements of your product. You may need to try a different charger or cable. Also, please note, the charging case included with the Quiet Comfort Earbuds 2 and Quiet Comfort Ultra earbuds is not capable of charging wirelessly. However, this functionality can be added with the Bose wireless charging case cover accessory. If the charging case has been fully depleted, it may take up to 30 minutes for the LEDs to turn back on. The status light on the front of the case will glow amber while charging, and solid white once fully charged. If you open the charging case, the earbud status light will glow amber to indicate they're charging, and solid white when they're fully charged. Once the earbuds are fully charged inside the case, they enter sleep mode. To wake up and power on the earbuds, make sure to wait until you see the earbud status light glow before removing them from the case. When you place the earbud in your ear, you should hear the welcome tone. If you're having issues powering on just a single bud, make sure your product software is up to date. Earlier versions of your earbud software may have only allowed the right earbud for single bud use. Newer versions allow independent single bud use with either the left or right earbud. If these steps haven't yet resolved your issue, visit our website for additional troubleshooting steps and service solutions.